Vikings, welcome back to another episode of MVTV.
Hey Vikings, finals week begins tomorrow, so here's everything you need to know to head in feeling prepared and confident. Wednesday, you'll start things off with periods 1, 6, and 7. It's a full kickoff day, so make sure you review your notes, get plenty of rest, and come ready to focus. Thursday, you'll take periods 2 and 4. With only 2 finals, it's a great chance to really dial in and give each one your best effort. Friday, you'll wrap things up with periods 3 and 5. Finish strong and push through the last stretch. You're almost there. You've put in all the work this semester, and now it's time to show what you know. Stay positive, stay organized, and take it one last test at a time.
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. Are you feeling in the holiday spirit? Do you want to make sure others in your community can feel it too? Well, here's your chance. Our district is hosting a district-wide toy drive to help this season feel a little brighter for families in our community. Feel free to donate new, unwrapped toys or books to donation bins that will be located at every EMUHSD campus, including our own. Donations will be accepted through this Friday, December 19th, and will all go to a local community organization that will handle the distribution. If you want to feel the gift of giving this holiday season, participate in this year's toy drive. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next semester for more important info about the View.
Hi Vikings! Last week's poll results were 45% of people didn't watch the new Stranger Things episodes and 55% did. Today's question will be, what are you most excited for this winter break?
Most excited just staying home and not doing any homework.
I'm most excited to hang out with my best friends and just to have fun.
I'm excited to spend time with my boyfriend.
I'm excited to spend time with some family and friends during the week or the break.
I'm most excited to catch up on sleep.
Well, I'm most excited for is maybe just going out with friends or with family.
What am I excited for the break is the time for me to rest and catch up with some of the movies that I really wanted to watch for quite some time. I think that's what I'm really excited for.
We're excited to hang out with each other all winter break.
I'm excited to open presents.
What I'm most excited for winter break is eating a lot of food and spending time with my family.
I'm excited to hang out with my friends and go out with my family.
I'm most excited for Christmas and my birthday.
I'm most excited for the presents, obviously.
I'm most excited for going to Big Bear.
One thing I'm excited for the winter break is I guess to get a mental reset on just school and just life.
One thing I'm most excited for winter break is just to go home and relax and play with my nieces and nephews.
I'm most excited for the presents and being able to sleep all day.
One thing I'm excited for winter break is that I'm gonna go see my friends and hang out with them, and I can't wait to go skate with them and go explore new places.
What I'm most excited for is to hang out with everybody that I love. Thank you for your input, Vikings. I'll see you after the break. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hey Vikings, here are people this week shared about how good their week was.
Something that has happened to me recently is that I finally finished a guitar that I've been making the entire summer.
Something good that happened today was that the pizza at lunch was very good.
Okay, something good that happened recently is that one of my friends gave me $1, and so now I have $5.
Yeah, something good that happened to me today is that we had that McDonald's breakfast thing, whatever it's called. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah, the breakfast. Yeah. My favorite part too.
Something good that happened to me recently was I got a beat from Miss Minnick.
I had 12 hours of sleep yesterday.
Algo bueno que pasó en mi día fue que me compré un teléfono.
Thank you for all the Vikings who shared good news this week. Please share next week. Bye bye Vikings!
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. First off, on Tuesday, December 16th, girls soccer will bring on the Marshall Eagles here at the Viking Stadium beginning at 3:30. With the girls at home, boys soccer will head to Marshall High School and kick it off first with JV, and then varsity will follow up. Next, on Wednesday, December 17th, boys basketball will host the Gabrielino Eagles here at the gym, with the freshmen first up at 3:30 and JV and varsity lined up after. With the boys at home, girls basketball will head to Gabrielino High School, with JV starting it off and varsity to follow. Finally, on Thursday, December 18th, boys soccer will bring on the El Monte Lions at the Viking Stadium, with the freshmen starting off at 3:30 and JV and varsity next up. As the boys are home, girls soccer will hit the road towards El Monte High School, with JV up first and varsity to follow. At the same time, wrestling will host another matchup, this time against the Marshall Eagles at the gym. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA livestream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. Have a nice break.
Hello Vikings, for today's makeup recommendation, if you're looking for a setting spray that actually keeps your makeup locked in all day, the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray is a must try. It's basically hairspray for your face in the best way possible. It helps your makeup last through long school days without budging, or wherever you need to go your makeup is not coming off. Now for the gossip side, Baddies USA finally came out, guys, and honestly so far this damn season is just messy in every way possible. But if you want to watch it, you can definitely stay tuned in every Sunday when the new episodes come out on the Zeus Network. But that should be it for me, Vikings. See you next time.
Hey Vikings, today's Spanish quote is No hay mal que por bien no venga. It's a popular Spanish proverb meaning every cloud has a silver lining, or literally there is no bad from which good does not come from. That's it for me, Vikings. See ya.
Hey Vikings, are you interested in Adventure's TV show? Adventure Time follows a brave boy named Ben and his best friend Jake, a dog with magical stretching powers. They live in the colorful land of boo and go fun and sometimes dangerous adventures. Along the way, they meet characters like Bubblegum, Marceline, and the Ice King. Even though it looks silly at first, the show also deals with deeper themes like friendship, growing up, and doing the right thing. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next time.
Hey Vikings, today's game is Horizon Forbidden West. It is an open-world action-adventure game where you play as Aloy, a skilled hunter exploring a beautiful but deadly future Earth ruled by machine creatures. After strange blight begins killing the land, Aloy travels into the Forbidden West, a vast region filled with new tribes, massive robotic beasts, and the ruins of a long-lost advanced civilization. The game makes fast strategic combat with exploration through deserts, jungles, mountains, and underwater areas. Players can use bows, spears, traps, and special abilities to take down powerful machines while uncovering the truth behind the world's past and stopping a new threat that could destroy what remains of humanity. That's it from me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Dark Thoughts by Lil Tecca.
Thinking of myself from last year. Said she never needed no man, but when she with you, said she needs somebody else. And I ain't tryna add no pressure for you. I know that they all doing extra.
Lil Tecca started rapping around the age 9, but released his first hit song at the age 16. That hit song being Ransom, which reached number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100. That's all for me, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, looking for a Christmas movie? Diary of the Wimpy Kid Christmas Cabin Fever is about Greg Heffley getting stuck inside his house with his family during a huge snowstorm. With no power and lots of tension, everyone starts to get on each other's nerves. Greg also worries about a secret he's hiding that could get him in big trouble. In the end, this family survives the storm and Greg escapes serious consequences with a little luck. That's this week's Movie Vikings. Stay tuned for more upcoming movie recommendations.
Hey Vikings, this week's recipe is Christmas puppy chow, also known as Christmas crack or Muddy Buddies. It's basically cereal covered in chocolate and peanut butter and dusted in powdered sugar. You can mix in M&Ms, pretzels, or anything else you would like. If you are interested in this recipe, make sure to scan the QR code. That's all for me this week. Enjoy, Vikings.
All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction.
Say I'm more than the scars on my back, but all of my demons keep holding.
Doing 10 in a week. How long I been on the street? Dream about work in my sleep.
I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cause. Straight up. Running, 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 running.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.